Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an educational video on AutoCAD. In this video, I will be giving some tips regarding layers. You all know that layers is one of the very important tool for anybody who is using CAD software. Whether you may be from civil background, mechanical or architect, layers will be utilized everywhere. It makes our works very easily and also very handy. Generally, in our daily work, whatever we work on our projects, it will be reviewed by our manager and management. At the time of presenting our work or project or proposal, it must be highlighted in front of our management so that it can be reviewed properly. Here I am taking an scenario of a plant where grinding robot needs to be proposed and it has to be installed. So I have highlighted this one with a red color. Usually our project will be filled with lot of colors, so many of a time management will not be focusing on our proposal part, since maybe having the same colors which would be making them to divert from what we are focusing, and also there might be some other issues. To overcome this, AutoCAD has a tool called layer walkup, in which we can highlight mainly the part which we want to show or which is our proposal. Here you can see that red area which I am showcasing as in a proposal area. By the use of this layer walkup, you can highlight each and every layers one by one so that it will be shown in the presentation without any disturbance. In general, working with a very huge project, very big project where you will be having hundreds of layers, you can search that particular layer by using layer walk, or else you can make use of this view manager, wherein the particular portion or particular area will be highlighted using this view manager. So in this way you can exactly show what is your proposal to your management for the approval process. Use of this view manager is very simple. By hitting V on your keyboard, you will get a view manager command. Here you can type the name, or you can give any name with respect to your project. Here I am taking as office room, where I want to highlight this particular room area. So select that particular portion and give it in the view manager. Here you will see preloaded views, and you can come back to this particular area at any part of the time, whether you may be working with the small projects or very huge projects. Each and every area will be highlighted by using this particular tool, and this also comes with a very handy, and this tool also comes with a very helpful way where we can we can assign as many as views we need, and we can directly enter into that particular portion. Hi guys, if you find this video helpful for you, please do a like and have a comment. If you have any queries, please do a comment so that I can clarify those doubts. Thank you very much. See you soon in another video.